never have my seatbelt on. Alright, what do you want to eat?
I don't care.
Well, we got Indian food, Greek food, we got Italian food, Mexican food. You want burritos?
I don't care. Anything's fine.
Pizza?
No, I don't want pizza.
Gyro?
No.
Hot dog?
No.
Okay. Steak?
I don't care.
Ooh, what about sushi?
Sure.
Shit. That's expensive. Fuck. Alright. Guess we're gonna go eat some sushi. Well, got some Asahi beer. Thank you. Some miso soup. It's good. Love those things. Of what do they call it? Tofu. A bit of tofu in there. It's tasty. Seaweed. It's mostly just broth. It's really good. Got these on. Pop them out. That little bean. Good. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me. I'm not trying to talk too loud. How's your soup?
Delicious.
That's done. That was good. Need a couple more of these. Start the video back up when the food comes in. There you go. So we need some more beer. Well guys, I just found out I've been eating and recording nothing. Let's record some more. Put this right there. How's that? Now you can kind of see me. We'll go right there. Guess that's just what we're gonna have to do. You're just gonna have to go right there. Okay, let's try this again. Well, we got a spicy tuna. I don't know if this was shown in the last one or not. I doubt it. It's got little cucumbers in there. Again, I don't care for them. I've done that one. Is this the tilapia? Ooh, remember we went to the tilapia farm? Here's some tilapia. That's good. It's really fishy tasting, more than the others, but it's good. And some ginger to clean the palate. Yeah. Salmon. Nice, beautiful orange color. Nice fat going through there. Gotta love the fat. That is so good. It's like butter in the mouth. Did you already have your two of these? Maybe she's been eating them. Some yellowtail. Tuna has got to be one of my favorite fish. And yellowtail is not as fatty as like bluefin. It's still good. Look at that. Just look at that beautiful color on there. I'm looking forward to this one. Cheers. Some more ginger. Alright. I don't want any more of that. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's eat some roe. Fish eggs. Unborn fetuses. I like to let mine soak in there just a little bit longer. Soak up some more of that wasabi. Alright, that's a lot. Here we go. The little eggs explode in your teeth when you're eating them, and it's like a blast of flavor. So good. Some cabbage. Almost out of ginger. I'll eat one more piece and I think I'm done. What should I do a piece of? You know what? Here, we'll do a piece of boring old shrimp. If you're gonna try sushi, this is the easiest way to try sushi. Is just get yourself a little shrimpy. You put them on there, just like the cocktail shrimp you eat at the store or at a restaurant you think's fancy. Nice thing about a shrimp, though, you can take a bite out of it. The other ones, you just gotta throw it all in there. And there's a tail. No, you don't eat tail. How about ginger? I don't really care for the shrimp. I mean, I'll eat it. But, well, tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and finish this video. I think it's been long enough. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh, I gotta call someone else out to do an eat challenge, huh? Broken bacon bits. Do an eating video. Alright? Bye. You know what? You know what? And I want to see Riding with Rapuns do one too. There's two. Riding with Rapuns and Broken Bacon Bits.